Good day! This video is about drug dose calculation. A 22 kg dog needs 10 mg per kilogram of enrofloxacin once a day. If supplied as 22.7 mg tablets, how many tablets are needed per day? So, here's the drug dose calculation formula. The animal's weight multiplied by the given dosage divided by the drug concentration. Substitute the given values. 22 kg multiplied by 10 mg per kilogram results to 220 divided by 22.7 mg per milliliter is equal to 9.69. Therefore, if supplied as 22.7 mg tablets, 9.69 tablets are needed per day. With the same weight and dosage given on the first case, how many tablets are needed per day if supplied as 68 mg tablets? 22 kg multiplied by 10 mg per kilogram, which is 220, divided by 68 mg per milliliter results to 3.23. Therefore, if supplied as 68 mg tablets, 3.23 tablets are needed per day. Another case is a 22 kg dog needs 10 mg per kilogram of enrofloxacin once a day. If supplied as 136 mg tablets, how many tablets does it need per day? So, the animal's weight is 22 multiplied by the given dosage 10 divided by 136 mg per milliliter is equal to 1.62. In conclusion, if supplied as 136 mg tablets, 1.62 tablets are needed per day.